Hello everyone, আমাৰ YouTube channel edupadisole আপোনালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো। আজি আমি এটা নতুন টপিক লৈ আহিছো যোনটো very important হয় schedule in our Indian Constitution। 12টা schedule আছে, এইখিনি আমি লাহে লাহে গোটেইখিনি ডিটেইলছত পঢ়িম। তেন্তে বলো ভিডিওটো আৰম্ভ কৰো। First আমি meaning of schedule টো অকমান চাই লওঁ। The Constitution of India is a document that contains laws concerning various subjects. Aru ami jano tat it currently 448 articles and 12 schedules ase. Jontu moi previous video tut janaisilu. Aru a schedule can be defined as tabular documentation of details that are not mentioned in the articles. As we have earlier discussed, at the time of the enactment in November for 1949, only how many schedules were there? There were 8 schedules in the Indian Constitution. 9th schedule was later added by which Constitutional Amendment Act, First Constitutional Amendment Act of 1951. Then the 10th schedule dealing with the anti-defection law was added in 1985, with which Constitutional Amendment Act with 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act. And finally, after 7 years, the 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Acts were passed, under which the 11th and 12th schedules were added. 11th schedule to kuntu Constitutional Amendment ready passes 73rd and 12th schedule to 74th. Then proceed to amar etia eta taka ami etia schedule khini pohim details ot. Then moi the trick eta kom jontu apnalokor উটেখিনি মনত ৰৈ যায় সো হেখলকে ভিডিওটো চাই থাকিব। এতিয়া আমি এটা শিডিউল ডিসকাস কৰিম। ফাৰ্স্ট শিডিউলত কয় it lists the states and union territories and their corresponding territories. হেতু আৰ্টিকল কোনকিটা ৰিলেটেড হয়? আৰ্টিকল 1 and 4. Second schedule, it outlines the provision for emoluments, allowances, privileges and so on of the following: the President of India, the governors of state, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha, the Chairman and Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the Legislative Assembly in the states, the Chairman and the Deputy Chairman of the Legislative Council in the states, the judges of the Supreme Court, the judges of the High Court and the Comptroller and the Auditor General of India. Articles related খিনি মই লগতে দি দিছো, ইমানো ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট নহয় ADRE এক্সামৰ বা 3rd and 4th গ্ৰেড যিকোনো এক্সামৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকে নিজে চাই ল'ব। মই সাইডত দি দিছো, সেইখিনি মই বাৰে বাৰে গোটেইখিনি কৈ নাথাকো। Then proceed to third schedule. Third schedule কয় this provides for the forms of oaths or affirmation including the unions and state ministers, the candidates for election to the parliament and the state legislature, the members of the parliament and the state legislature, the judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Proceed to fourth schedule. Fourth schedule কয় allocation of seats in the Council of States. হেতু related আমাৰ articles কোন কিটাত পোৱা যায়? 4 subclause 1 and 80 subclause 2. Fifth schedule. Fifth schedule it deals with the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Hetu article 244 subclause 1 ot dekha jay. Sixth schedule. Sixth schedule it deals with the administering tribal areas in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Hetu article 244 subclause 2 and 275 subclause 1. Etu article 6 schedule to important hoy apnaloke sai jabo. Proceed to 7th schedule. 7th schedule likha ase it includes 3 list of determining the legislative authority for various subject matters. Hekita hoise union list, state list aru concurrent list. Article 246 ot dekha jay. Then proceed to 8th schedule. 8th schedule ot ami dekha pao it contains the list of recognized language of India. Language kita hoise Assamese, Bengali, Boro, Dogri, Gujarat, Hindi, Kannada, then Kashmiri, Konkani, etc. এখিনি চাই যাব আপোনালোকে। ইমান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট না উটেখিনি মনত থব নালাগে, বাট কে ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজৰ কথা ক'লে কোনটো শিডিউল হ'ব 8 শিডিউল মনত ৰাখিব। আৰ্টিকল 344 subclause 1 and 351 ত দেখা যায়। Then 9th schedule. 9th schedule কয় to protect certain acts and regulations from being declared void. হেতু আৰ্টিকল আমি কোড দেখা পাওঁ আৰ্টিকল 31B. Then 10th schedule. Then schedule, it contains provision relating to the disqualification on the ground of defection. Hetu articles ami kod dekha pa article 102 subclause 2 and article 191 subclause 2. Then 11 schedule. 11 schedule hoise it was added to the constitution by Constitution 73rd Amendment Act 1992. The 11th schedule deals with the powers, authority and responsibility of panchayat. 11 schedule to panchayator bikhoy aru 12 schedule to municipality bikhoy. 11 schedule to article 243 z dekha poa jay aru 12 schedule to hoise article 243 w dekha poa jay. Trick eta sai jao, eto bahut easy hoy. Trick to hoise tears of old PM. Tears ekhini hoise tears of old PM. T2 hoise territories and states. E2 hoise emoluments. Emoluments ami ki koisil? Emoluments provisions of whom? President, governors of state, etc. Then A2 hoise affirmation and oaths. R2 hoise Rajya Sabha seat allocation. S2 hoise scheduled areas. O2 other tribal areas. F2 federal list. O2 official language. L2 land reforms. D2 defection. P panchayat and municipalities. Tiers of all PM to jodi apunaloke monot rakhibo pare tende gotekhini schedule apunalokor mukhagot thakibo. Etia ami questions kenaman discuss koru jontu examot enakwa related ahibo pora chance ase apunaloke sai jabo question teneke apunaloke nijeo questions banai pene practice koribo pare moyo pdf ot di dim apunaloke jodi bisare tende bolo first question to so how many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? Ami athani pohisilu tita at present kitte kiman ase schedule ama at present ase 12 schedule. Then second question, how many schedules were there in the Indian Constitution at the time of enactment? Keta asile 8 asile. Next, which among the following languages not there in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India? Ama kuntu language nai? Dogri ase, Sindhi ase, Manipuri ase, kuntu nai, ama Rajasthani to nai. Then which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains language? Hetu hoise amar 8th schedule. Proceeding to question number 5. Provisions of Schedule 6 of the Constitution does not apply to which of this state? Ama kuntu state ot Schedule 6 to apply nohoy? Hetu hoise Manipur. Manipur to thait amar ki ase Mizoram. Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram asile. Then proceeding to question number 6. Which schedule of the Constitution of India contains special provision of the administration and control of scheduled areas in several states? Hetu hoise 5th schedule. Enekwa jodi type of question apunaloko aru lage tente muk contact koribo titia moi Telegram channel ot di dim. Jodi lage apnaloke comment section otu janabo pare. Titia hole moi video tu yate hack koru aru amar logot contact koribole akoto korsu amar Telegram channel ot join koribo pare aru nohoba Instagram handle otu apnaloke goi peni amak follow koribo pare. Till then, thank you for watching.